This is the message of the cross, that we can be free to live in the victory and turn from our sin. My precious Lord Jesus, with sinners you died, for there you revealed your love and you laid down your life. This is the message of the cross, that we can be free to lay all our burdens here at the foot of the tree. The cross was the shame of the world, but the glory of God. Oh, Jesus, you conquered sin, and you gave us new life. Yeah, you set me free when I came to the cross. Poured out your blood, for I was broken and lost. There I was healed, and you covered my sin. It's there you saved me. Hey, this is the message of the cross. Oh, this is the message of the cross, that we can be free to hunger for heaven, Lord, to hunger for thee. The cross is such foolishness to the perishing, oh, but to us who are being saved, yes, it is the power of God. Oh, you set us free when we come to the cross. Pour out your blood, for